म्हापशा म्हालांतली रस्त्याची स्थिती सामकी वायट आसा। ह्या रस्त्याक लागून लोकांक यो वच करपाक खूब त्रास सोंसचो पडलो। देखून पुराय म्हापशा वाठारांतले रस्ते दुरुस्त करपाचें काम हातांत घेतलां, पूण पावसाक लागून सगळीं कामां आडकून पडल्यात। ताका लागून नोव्हेंबर मेरेन रस्त्याचें काम पुराय जातलें अशें आश्वासन थळावो आमदार आनी उपसभापती जोशुआ डिसोजानी दिलें।
ऑलरेडी टार्ड फुल ग्राउटिंग जाल्लेलें आसा, पूण पावस मदीं मदीं पडत आसा, सो इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट फॉर द tar to cure for the entire process to get completed. We are trying to complete whatever patch up we can before Ganesh Chaturthi. So the contractors have assured by Sunday sogle korun ditale म्हणून I will be doing an inspection tomorrow being Saturday. I will go through all the wards where excavation open trenching झालेले आसा, so to just to ease the dust pollution that is there, the bad roads लोकांक भरपूर त्रास झालेले आसा। हांव परत I would like to apologize on behalf of everybody of the departments, on behalf of all concerned departments, whether it's electricity or PWD, and I would like to apologize to the people of Mapusa for this delay, but nonetheless it is paus atat sopot ayla. We are trying to restore the road, and I believe by the end of November it will be completely restored. Hot mixings on Mapusa roads will be back to what they were prior to underground cabling. तो रस्तो already tendered झालेलो असलो. Everything is done. Only connections were going on of sewerage, connections of HT and LT. That is one of the wards that has HT as well as LT underground cabling. So त्या कारणाक I would not like to do the road and dig it up again. They have completed the work. I believe we have asked for a milling process to take place in that stretch right from Milagris Church to Aram Soda. There will be the milling process where the old road will be excavated and a new road will be laid. So we are expecting this to be completed by end of November, considering the end of Vara Sapta Dashe Zaite and tourist Vidar Sarta, the season starts. So we are trying to get everything done by the end of November.